Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back. My name is McKaylee and we are headed to have an evening at Animal Kingdom. Okay, so our morning started off, we went to Universal and Islands of Adventure already. I vlogged both of those trips, so I'll have them linked below for you so you can check those out. We have had a full busy day, but now we are headed to Animal Kingdom. The main reason and the only reason that we're really going to Animal Kingdom is to get our annual pass holder magnets. It was a priority for me to pick up these magnets, so we are headed to Animal Kingdom. We tried to go last night, but the park closed early, so we are trying again tonight, and we will see. We have literally 0 reservations for Animal Kingdom, which is a first. We don't have lightning lanes or multi-pass, so we will see where this night takes us. So this is how it's going. It literally started raining as soon as we stepped foot into Animal Kingdom, but we are on the way to get our magnets. Got our magnets! So excited. We got 3 of them, 1 for each of us. After we got our magnets, we hopped into the Boneyard Playground. That is one of Reese's favorite playgrounds on Disney property. It's so nice. Y'all saw a video, but every time we come to Animal Kingdom, we come here to Boneyard, and we're so sad that it's closing soon. So it was nice to pop in and play one more time before it closes. We last minute booked a reservation at the Rainforest Café. So we're gonna pop in there now. Reese loves the Rainforest Cafe, but we've never been to the one here at Animal Kingdom, so we are so excited. It stopped raining, luckily, so we're going to probably eat dinner and then head out of the park, but I'll bring y'all with me to Rainforest Cafe and show y'all a little bit inside. to pouring rain. Let me show you. It is raining so hard, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video now. We are headed to Coronado Springs. We're gonna take a bus back to Coronado Springs. So thank you so much for spending an evening with us at Animal Kingdom. And until the next one, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.